Migao mar arita e alwora mar kadho Nam Chumbi ogolo singo mar arita kwe kaluwore gi loro sikul e dwe mar 8. Kamanda mar obila e alworano Ali Nuno wacho ni apisas mage oikore mar rakruok gi weche moramora mabiro rocho kwe mawuok kuom riwruoge mag njore. Ginyiso ni medruok mag weche njore e gwenge makono bedoga e kinde ma olor sikunde ka obila oseketo kenge ma owinjore ponono ni gik makamago timre sa asaya.
We know we have a hard time ahead of us. We know all the land institutions from the university, the primary schools have closed, and we have the issue of juvenile gangs coming up. Therefore, we have been strategizing the whole day, and we have a working plan in place. So I want to assure the people of Malindi that your cries have reached us, and we are equal to the task. Therefore, rest assured that we have had a few incidents here and there. We have the issue of, I've talked about the issue of the land institutions being closed and likelihood of having an upsurge in crime. Most of the young juvenile gangs. We have talked about the issue of land invasions and grabbing of lands, and how we can mitigate some court orders, because we have numerous court orders, and some of the courts are even likely to cite the OCSs for contempt of court orders.